Okay, Lakshmi. So, shall we begin?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, no, just to break the ice. So, why don't you just introduce yourself to me once again? But this time a quick one.
Okay, my name is Lakshmi Srujita. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my graduation in stream of computer science engineering, and my strengths are I'm very confident girl, hard worker, and quick learner. And my hobbies are dancing, singing, cooking, gardening. That's it.
Dancing, singing, cooking, gardening. So gardening is a new hobby or something? Last time you didn't tell me you were also fond of
Yeah.
gardening.
Sometimes I did so many works, and I'm very multi-talented girl. So I love
Oh,
dancing. Whatever makes me happy, I will choose that.
that's good. So, I have actually never done gardening or something. So, what are the types of like the flowers or something that you have ever planted? Can you tell me
Uh,
something about it?
yeah, but now I'm not planted any trees. Only I have few in my home, like hibiscus plant and
Hibiscus.
custard apple. Do you know custard apple?
Custard?
Apple,
Custard appy. I know custard, but I don't know custard appy. I don't know. So, what's that?
like fruit, uh,
Okay.
uh, and guava plant. So
Mm-hmm.
yes,
All right. Very
I'm
well. Very well. Yeah. You were saying something?
no. No, I'm
No.
not saying.
Okay. Okay. So, few days back, I also checked your YouTube channel.
Really? Do you know
Yep.
my channel?
Yeah. I don't remember the name correctly. Sruji Talks, something like that.
Yeah, Sruji Shiny Talks.
Sruji Shiny Talks. Yeah. Last time you told me that you are a YouTuber. So I checked it out. You have uploaded few conversation with tutors, and that was really nice videos. I went through two or three of them, and I really liked it. Good work.
Thank you.
Okay.
Actually,
Mm.
I'm a introvert girl, so talking with strangers is very tough. So easily I'm making mistakes in conversations. I know that mistakes.
Okay, but like you told me, you find it difficult to talk to strangers, but here you're talking with me effortlessly, right?
Yeah, now I'm changing. I'm
Yeah, you
on.
have. Yes. Please continue.
I'm trying to change extrovert.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay. It's always fun. It's always important to improve your communication skills. It's really helpful also. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Lakshmi. So, I got a PDF today from English Talkie. So, I don't really do this with the students. Did you get it? The PDF?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I did get. Yeah,
So,
I
I was just
seen
going. Please,
risk
what do you
talk.
say?
I have
Risk. So,
seen.
yeah, I was just going through it. And usually topics are just pretty much normal, but today I really found it interesting about risk. So I thought as we can have a chat about it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and risk is very different. Even I also, when I saw that topic, I really like what shock, a little bit shock. Different topic.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's why. And I think that we definitely should have a, you know, chat on it. So the first question is, I've got it written here. What is the biggest risk you ever taken? Come on.
Uh, Still now, I didn't take any big risk because I don't want that risk. I want to share my crazy risk in my past life. In Hyderabad, I went to Scary House in one of the mall in Hyderabad. So
Okay.
Scary House. When I went to that how inside the house, I feel very scared, and I'm crying in that situation. I cried a lot in that situation.
Can you just repeat that again? You cried in that situation, and after that?
After that, even I can't open my eyes inside the house. So
Uh,
it was directing the way. So yeah, that was my crazy risk in my life. After that, I never do that.
okay, so how old were you back then?
Sorry.
How old were you at that time?
I think 21.
21. Okay, so Lakshmi, like you've told me this thing, then I'll just also open up. I'm also afraid of all these things, scary house and all. Is there any other recipe you want to tell me about? Any-
Risk. Yeah, there are many types of risk in everyone's life.
Hmm.
So everyone have different types of risk based on their situations or lifestyle.
Hmm.
Financial risk, business, they choose business risks, business investment risk like that, and yeah, health risks. So I have a tinnitus problem. So for past 1 year, my ear was little. Uh, I mean, I have health issue on my ear. So now I'm
Okay.
trying to um, more confident girl and confident girl. Uh, I like always ring sound on my ear when I feel very alone and calm. I heard that ring sound. So whenever I am
Okay.
busy with my works and I never, I never thought that sound is running. So that time felt sad.
Okay. Okay. So it's called tinnitus.
Yeah, tinnitus.
Okay, tinnitus. So is it something like something serious or it's just casual or normal? Not that serious.
Not much serious, I think. I went so many hospitals, but I
Hmm.
didn't get any solution. And I searched a lot about that problem on social media like Google or YouTube. But many exercises about that problem are there in social media, but not one particular solution. But
Okay.
I have no symptoms like a headache or ear infection or
Mm-hmm.
pain. Only that sound problem. So I think I'm very confident because I'm not thinking about my problem. But I saw many comments on social media, YouTube videos. People are very suffering, and even doctor also said like nothing problem is there, and they said like nerve weakness and um, like they gave tablets only, but didn't get any solution.
Okay. So you've really tried to find a solution.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'm happy. I'm trying to happy in every minute of my life. So I don't care that my problem about that problem.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Everyone has a different way to deal with problems, right? And you found yours.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. And in fact, we were talking about risks, and last in the last session, you told me that you chose to be a YouTuber, and your parents also supported you in that. So that's also some sort of risk. We can say that you've taken,
Yeah,
right?
because we can see once upon a time, even every girl felt like very afraid to upload their face on social media. But
Hmm.
everyone are using without any fear. Everyone are uploading their pics or videos, anything on social media of heavy uses of internet. After Geo SIM came to everyone's life.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah, but now Geo is no longer, a cheaper alternative.
Yeah,
They have also increased the rates. But
yeah.
so that's a really great
Also
thing
one
that you
type
have.
of
Sorry.
this is also one type of risk, I think.
Yeah, definitely, it's a type of risk. Anyways, so we have got another question. Uh, like this is some last. It's the last question. Listen to me carefully. What is something you would risk your life to get? Did you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Okay. For example, you want to have something. It can be anything. It can be, for example, a career or a materialistic thing, anything. So what would be that thing that you are even ready to even, you're ready to even let go of your life?
Okay.
You will choose that thing over your life.
Uh, um, I mean, I have one beautiful dream. I want to explore all over the world and I want to see all famous places. So, yeah, that only risk. But I think being a girl is not possible to explore all worlds and all famous places. So, I think no, but I will try in my future. Just this is a dialogue, but I don't know. I have no hopes.
No, no, like you told me, right? Earlier, girls used to be afraid. They didn't. They were little. Some sort of. They found it
Yes,
difficult to upload their videos and photos on YouTube, but now they are able to. So similarly, if it's not possible for a girl to go roam around the world, then definitely one day you will also be able to do this. I know. I'm sure.
yeah. Yeah, I will able to do this, but even my background, I have no supporters to this type of thing.
Yeah,
So
that's
I
that's the
think they
case.
will agree.
Actually,
Yes,
that's the case with most of the people, right? We as a
yes,
in the Indian society, it's not that it's not that easy for people to
yes.
just to be live a life of the movie kind. This like Zindagi Na, what was that? I don't remember. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and there was one more movie, something like that. It's
Yeah,
not
I
that
hear
easy to live a life.
that. I
Sorry,
hear
yeah.
the dialogue. I hear the dialogue, but I can't understand. I don't know that meaning.
Oh, which dialogue? Tell me, I'll explain it to you.
Zindagi something you said, you said
Zindagi na
like,
Zindagi na milegi dobara. Yeah,
yeah,
it
I
means that
know the meaning.
you want to know the meaning.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it means that you won't get to live twice.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the life that you have got. Do what you want to do in this life. You won't get another life. So that's what it means. It's a nice
Okay,
movie
now,
actually. You can
yeah,
watch.
now I
Yeah, you can watch it. Although it seems to be a little impractical. They just go around, roam around the world. But anyways,
okay.
Acha, Lakshmi, any question for me? Any
No,
question?
no, no questions. But I think in this session also, I did many mistakes.
Oh, well, the mistakes are a part of life.
Yeah.
I'll tell you in the end. Don't you worry. So we've got a few questions. I'd just like to mm, quickly ask you.
Okay.
Okay, so do you think that this is sort of a debatable question? Do you think that the people who take risks are more successful in life?
No, because I think some people get successful with their own risk, but some not. Because, yeah, for example, now, um, yeah, I forgot. I mean, share market.
Yeah,
Share market.
share market.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mostly some without any knowledge also some are buying shares on like some websites like GoPaisa or like I forgot that words, but
Zerodha.
yeah, without any knowledge, many members are taking risk with their money, hard work money. So that's wrong, because one can I mean one can get success or another one get failed failure.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that is a not good habit. Just we whenever we want to take risks, just we want to know much information about that. You know, like share market or business or a job, anything. Just we want to
Exactly.
know full information.
Yeah. So you think that it's better to play safe
Yes.
rather than taking risk? All right. All right. Everyone has a view. No worries. Okay. So you don't plan to invest in share market, right?
My brother, my brother doing share market. He
Okay.
was buying many shares with with his pocket money, but I'm not interested now.
All right. All right. Boys have a habit of doing that. Boys are naturally attracted to these things, share market and all, rather than girls. I've noticed it.
Even sometimes I feel very interested to buy shares, but my father and my brother always talking about shares in home, so I don't want that more conversation about that topic. So even when I joined in share market, topic is only share market.
Okay. And now I now have a clear picture. Now I clearly understand what's the issue here.
Yes.
Okay, Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi. So now moving on towards the end, I'll just tell you what I've noticed about you. So the thing that I've noticed about you in my previous session also, and even today, that you have a clear mind. You have your ideas clearly. You know what you want to speak. You clearly have it. But when you try to speak it out, you tend to leave a few words. You skip a few words. You know what you want to speak, but for example, that you have to say like you have to say a simple any line. So like you told me, I don't like share market and all. So you'll just skip a word or two in between. That's what you're doing actually.
Yes.
That's obviously that's because of lack of practice. Because everything else is fine. Your eye contact is good. You are very confident. You told me you used
Yes.
to be an introvert and now you're improving. So for an introvert person, that's a really good thing. Your eye contact is good. Your confidence is good. Your fluency is also fine. And in fact, I watched that video of yours. I went to the channel of yours 2 days back or something. So I'm noticing a bit of change. Like
Okay.
you are a bit more fluent now than you were back then. So, but I don't know, but it's just a thing I noticed. And
Yeah. Okay. I don't have any friends to talk in English language. So I think that's the problem also.
yeah,
Only I'm using native language in home only. So that's the problem.
yeah, definitely. An environment of people who speak English around you, it's really helpful. It's quite important. So
Yes.
just to help you with that, so you can't get people. You can't, you just can't afford to have people all the day with you to speak
Yes.
English. So in order to, you can watch movies or listen to songs. You can especially watch movies or something as an alternative, because the more you listen, the more you are able to absorb. The more you listen to English, the more you are able to absorb English, inculcate within yourselves. Definitely it's going to help you to speak. It's
Yeah.
something I
Okay.
believe. I always give two advice to people, or in fact three. So first and foremost is having a conversation in English. It's most important. Second one is reading.
Yeah.
Reading really does the thing, right? In fact, reading is what made my English better back when I was in school. It helped me a lot. It's even helping me today. And the
Yes.
third thing that you can do is watch movies. Watching
Okay.
movies will help you. They're having dialogues with each other and you hear them
Yeah.
continuously. So
And
that
new words
really helps.
also. We will learn new words also. Vocabulary.
Definitely, you'll learn a lot of words. You'll learn how do people talk in reality. How do
Yes.
they ask questions? How does the other person answer? Right?
Yes.
So that's something that you can definitely do. And just to be, I'll just be honest. I'm just not saying it for the sake of it, but you have improved a bit as compared to the last session that was around 2 to 3 weeks back. I'm just being honest.
Yeah. Thank you. It's okay.
So I'm satisfied and happy that all right, my hard work has paid off. You are improving, and I'm sure that in a month or two, or let's say 3 to 4 months, you'll definitely improve. But keep this in mind. Keep reading, watch movies, listen to the conversation, and obviously, as much as possible, have a conversation with anyone you like.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, Lakshmi. So we'll just wind it up. No, any question for me?
No, I don't have any questions.
Don't have any questions? You good?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
then I shall take your leave now, Lakshmi. It was once again really wonderful to have a conversation with you.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
All right. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Have a good day.